YouTube, welcome back to the channel. How's everybody doing out there? My name is Leo Sotelo, and this video right here, I want to show you how you can build your own ad swipe. That's right, I got tools I want to show you, so stick around to this video. And if this is your first time here, my name is Leo, and I learned all this marketing stuff. There's stuff that I didn't learn on the internet, I learned through somewhere else, so I want to share it with you here. And if you want to talk to me, leave a comment below. Leave a comment below. I'll get back to you. It will be me, not a robot or an assistant. It will be me. So go ahead and leave a comment below. Also, check out my new latest ebook that's going to be in the description below this video. You can get it for free. And if you like this video at the end, hit a like. Help me get the support from YouTube so it could show my video to other people so they could watch it as well. And if you're in a hurry, go ahead and subscribe to that. Hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell to get notified of future videos coming up. So do what scares you until it doesn't. And I want to show you the simple way you could build your ad swipe. So here we go. Now, a lot of you out there, you guys know that Facebook has a lot of ads. Sometimes it's annoying. Kind of like YouTube, there's a lot of ads coming up. But what if they were your ads? It would be different, right? You'd be building a list, potentially making sales, money online while you're asleep. You know, there's so many things that could happen if you placed your ads. But sometimes ad copy could become challenging. You know, a lot of us from different areas of the city, you know, the suburbs or whatever, and we talk differently. So our ads are not, our words are not the same. I'm going to show you here how you can make them look professional. So this tool is called, you go over here to the Chrome web store and you type in, you're going to want to get this right here. Where is it? Right here. My Ad Finder. I want to show you how it works here in a little bit. My Ad Finder, and then when you come over here to Facebook, you're going to want to click over here on your extensions. You want to make sure this pin is nice and blue, and it's going to show so the tool works. So we're going to come over here, Facebook, and then let me open this up so you get the full view, of course. Sorry about that. And I want to tap this, and I want to see ads. So it's going to start showing me ads, auto scroll. And it's going to start bringing up a lot of ads. So you can see all these ads. You can stop it any time you want. So, okay, I want to stop it. I don't want to take up too much of your time. However, look at all these ads it pulled up. Now, with these ads, let's say you want this ad right here, right? But you don't want to just copy it and paste it into your ad. Now, this is the easy way to do it. Now, let me show you before I move forward. I want to show you also, when I hit that and I stop the auto scroll, you could go down here to collected ads. My Ad Finder is going to find you a bunch of ads that are potentially in your niche. Now, I have not tried this yet on like, Instagram or Pinterest, Quora or LinkedIn, and I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to give this tool a try because it might work on those ones as well. So look at all these ads right here. You know, and if you're into the recipes, of course, let's see if it'll go right here. Let's see, recipes. You know, I just like to kind of move to niches to see, you know, what all it is here. So I didn't find nothing there. However, let's go back over here. Okay, I copy and paste that. So let me show you how you can make this yours. Now, I went over here to Chat GPT. A lot of you know about this already. This is the free version, so you don't have to pay nothing. Now, I typed or even spoke into the system, and I said, rewrite this Facebook ad with a hook. You're spot on. This is a philosopher of use that makes sense. So it went into all this, rewrote that. That's my new ad. Now you're going to want to save that ad and put it into your ad swipe file. When you do that, when you're putting your ads in your files, you want to make sure you name them of what the niche is, because you might be working a few different niches. You might be working in make money online, wealth, fitness, whatever. You don't want to mix them up because it's going to be horrible later on. So I just want to let you know that out there. So this one right here was this was the ad that I copied. This is what it turned out to be. Attention all savvy investors want to beat the inflation. Okay, so it made it shorter to the point, and you could use that ad. Now I had it rewrite this other one on Fish Friend. Let's see. Yeah, I was just kind of jumping around here before I made this video, but it did all that. It said I should rewrite this Facebook ad with the hook and a call to action. So it has the hook. It has the hook over here, and then it has the call to action down here. You know, you're going to want to copy this, put it into your file, whatever niche it is. And then I did it right here again. Write this Facebook ad, make it unique. So in case you're out there thinking there might be some plagiarism, I think that's how you say it, plagiarism. After the interview 800 of the best minds in business and investing to the top-rated podcast, Cash Flow Ninja. Okay, I'm not going to read the whole thing. However, are you tired of investing in strategies to generate a return? Okay, so this made it unique right here. This is the one you want to copy and put it into your file. So I hope you're liking this. If you're liking it, give me a thumbs up, and let's move on here, because this next one you're going to want to do the same thing. But however, you just go to Google, you type in Facebook ad library. Some of you have heard about that. Sometimes you might have wanted to go back to Facebook ad library, but you forgot. So it happens. So you're going to go there. It's going to bring up the library. Excuse me. Sometimes I stutter, I guess. I used to stutter a lot when I was a kid. Anyway, this right here. Okay, let's say you want all ads. United States, of course. All ads. You want to do issue electronics and politics. You want housing ads. You want employment ads. You want credit ads. So let's say for this, let's do keto recipes, huh? Just want to mix it up a little bit here. Keto recipes. So let me open this up for you again, and it's going to bring up. Let's see, there's only one. Oh, here we go. Boom! Look at that, everybody. Look at that. Look how many ads are here. Some people make them short and simple. Some people make them. And by the way, these are actually active ads. They're active right now. So, do you see where I'm getting at? So, let's look at this one for an example, right? See details. Let's see. See ad details. Okay. Now, this is the ad up here. Now, maybe you could copy this. Go over here to Chat GPT and type in rewrite this Facebook ad with a hook and a call to action. Always make sure you check what you say. Now I want to see what it says. Transform your health into, okay? And look, there's your own ad. You could also always make it unique, make some sales copy, whatever word you want to say into this is pretty cool. You want to copy that and paste it. So ads library, you could always switch it up depending on what you're doing. Let's say you're doing the make money online. Let's see what the ads come up with that one. Land investing, vital fitness online. Okay. So as you can see here, land investing. There's quite a few that might go with that. Usually, make money online is could sound a little spammy, you know. So do wealth. Huh. I didn't think that would do that. Let's see. Did I spell it right? I guess I didn't spell it right, everybody. I'm not perfect. Could be my elementary school system failed me. Anyway, as you can see right here, there's ads everywhere. So, copy paste it, build you a nice swipe file for ads. Now, pretty sure there's a way you could do this with emails as well. I'll probably be coming out with that video pretty soon. But, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you liked. And I hope you out there put it to use, because I want to be putting it to use. I kind of just learned about this as recently. I'm my own mentor in a way. So I just try to find ways easier to make everybody's life easier and more convenient, so you could go spend time doing things that you want to do. Maybe be with the kids, the family, stuff like that. So, yeah, I hope you like this video. And I'm thinking about building up a whole big community here. So go ahead and get on my email list at the bottom. Get your free ebook, and I will let you know when that community is up and running. Thank you very much. You have a good day. Good night. God bless you. Bye.